Ever found yourself pondering the question, who created God? This question, both universal and profound, ignites curiosity in people from all walks of life. It pushes the boundaries of our understanding and challenges our deepest beliefs. Let us delve into an Islamic perspective on this intriguing query. In Islam, the concept of God, or Allah, transcends the limitations of time and space. This is a belief that is deeply rooted in the faith and understanding of every Muslim. So when we ponder the question, who created God, from an Islamic perspective, the answer is simple and profound. No one did. Allah, in Islam, is considered eternal. This means he has no beginning nor an end. He is not a product of creation, but rather, he is the creator himself. Everything that exists in the universe, from the tiniest particle to the vast galaxies, is the result of his divine creation. This belief is not just based on faith alone, but is also strongly supported by the teachings of the Quran. In the 57th chapter, the Quran states, "He is the first and the last, the ascendant and the intimate, and he is of all things knowing." This verse beautifully encapsulates the Islamic understanding of Allah's eternal nature. He is the first, meaning there was nothing before him. He is the last, signifying there will be nothing after him. He is the ascendant, indicating his supremacy over all creation, and the intimate, expressing his profound knowledge of everything. In essence, the Islamic perspective posits that God is self-existent and eternal, beyond the confines of our human understanding. So, to the question, who created God? From an Islamic perspective, the answer is simple: no one. We've explored this universal question, the belief in God's eternal existence in Islam, and the Quranic verses supporting this belief. This offers us a profound insight into the nature of God in Islam, eternal, uncreated, and beyond human comprehension.